and when you put the USB drive in, the Raspberry Pi screen is going to come up like this, and you're going to open the file manager to browse the USB drive. In your USB drive, you're going to have whatever you got, plus the file I sent in the email, gcode2.nc. Right click, copy. In the left pane, scroll up, and you're going to have the Pi directory, and in the Pi directory you're going to have Gerbil. Enter the Gerbil folder, right click, and paste that file. You'll ask to overwrite. Go ahead and overwrite the file, and if you want to verify what you have, open the file, and here you're going to see my note that we added 106 stock. Close the editor out, and next time you hit that button, you are going to have new G-code running, okay?